From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This question essentially tests our knowledge of calculating the volume of a cuboid and also how to convert from liter to centimeter cube. It says a cuboid of length 25 cm and breadth 8 cm holds exactly 1 liter of water. Find the height of the cuboid. We know that the volume of a cuboid is simply length times breadth times height. But instead of them giving us the volume in centimeter cube, we were given as 1 liter. So we have to convert 1 liter to centimeter cube. We know that 1 liter is 1,000 centimeter cube. This is what we will use here since our length and breadth are in centimeter. So we'll have 1,000 centimeter cube. Our length is 25, breadth is 8, and height is what we are looking for. 25 times 8 is simply 200 times h is 200h. To get h, we simply divide both sides by 200. So that 200 will cancel this. 200 can cancel 1,000 in 5 times. So the h or the height we are looking for is simply 5 cm, and that is A. Thank you for watching.